When you're studying a Breaking Into Wall Street guide, you learn about these different concepts in the abstract. Like you're gonna learn about how to calculate free cash flow, and you memorize the math equation, and then you throw in like, okay, there's net working capital and accounts receivable goes into this, and you learn about these like in a conceptual sense. And the first time I actually built like a proper financial model was the Adventist boot camp, where we were walked through it during those 2 or 3 days. First by Mike, and then we tried building it ourselves. But I want to say like where I truly learned it was preparing for the level 1 certification, where you're like it's timed, so you can't just know it in a superficial sense. You really have to get it down well. And there were like multiple instances where I was just going to our BIF, which is our business instructional facility at U of I, late at night after my classes, and just grinding out these models, like just one day, like every day after class for like 2 or 3 weeks, just so I was able to get it done in, I forget the allotted time.
90
But
minutes.
90 minutes, yeah. So yeah, it's been about five years, I want to say, since I did it, but so my memory could be a little bit foggy. But yeah, they I really learned it there, where like like you're actually following the equations and understanding how things balance. I remember like kind of having like an epiphany where I saw a balance sheet balance for the first time. I'm like, okay, this makes sense to me, because coming from the Mechie world, you're just like the way in which you look at things are very different.